The S&B Steady Track system, part number 105, 101, pivotal part of how the truck's going to ride, probably the most important part of how an S&B truck rides. This is going to include a new pitman arm, a new pitman arm nut, this bracket that attaches to the pitman arm right here, and this is why we have to include a new pitman arm. It's also going to include the ATS stabilizer, and then on this side, the frame side mounting bracket to get this ATS stabilizer in here. And it's gusseted to go back to the cross member, and then a new drag link if you have a 2023 and newer truck, just to make the geometry right here at this ball joint. But what we're doing here, and you can see it in the truck, is we're mounting the stabilizer directly in line with the pitman arm and to the pitman arm. So that as the truck cycle through the travel, this stabilizer used to bolt in right here, and it would be going up and down and up and down. So it was always at an angle, and it was never actually counteracting the steering forces parallel, basically directly. So by bolting it directly to the pitman arm, we're able to isolate those forces the best possible way. And so it's just going to drive great. You're not going to feel anything through the steering wheel, but still be able to turn the truck and not have like a ton of stabilizer in the truck. These ATSs are great. They're fully adjustable. So depending on tire size, and then you can also make this work in conjunction with the dual stabilizer setup, and then just back off the ATS adjuster here. So this is the most important part of our kit and how it rides. This won't fix any other kit. Everything else has to be right. Your caster has to be right. Your track rod bracket location has to be right. Everything else still has to be correct. But once it's all correct, installing the Steady Track system is a game changer for how your truck's going to drive.